Got a whole crew. How are you?
Always.
Good to see you. What's going on?
Good, doing good.
What's with the pythons? Yes.
Of course.
Those are comfortable.
Yeah.
Man, how we go?
Good.
Dude, you lost weight again. What's going on? You got more weight or what? This guy, stop trying to turn me on. Dude, did you drop?
102.3 WBAB, Long Island's #1 rock station. Roger and JP. It's 8:11, sunny and 80 degrees today. He's fighting on Friday night, and he just walked in.
But
Cletus.
clearly, he has a cocaine problem.
His energy's out
You
for
were
the
like
charts.
20 pounds heavier the last
Come
time I
on,
saw you.
baby. Dude, it's fight week. We gotta lose some weight and get ready to go fight.
You can't do blow and fight.
Not anymore. Not anymore.
Cletus, the Hebrew Hammer, Selden is in the
Seriously,
studio.
like you were 20 pounds heavier when we saw you last time, right?
Yeah, I think I had only a 2-pack. Now I got like an 8.5 pack.
Yeah, all right. Don't show your stomach.
Oh, look at that. That's ridiculous.
How do you?
Got no body fat?
So where are you fighting? You're fighting at what? 140?
140.
Are you there now? You still have to drop.
Oh, I still gotta drop about 4 or 5 pounds.
By when?
Tomorrow, 2 o'clock.
Are you serious?
But how are you going to drop 4 pounds and 5 pounds in one day?
There's little tricks of the trade with boxing.
Like what?
Well, I got some dietist tea from the Hawaiian guy that I know from judo. He gives me tea that I'll lose.
Some Hawaiian judo guy gives you a tea that makes you lose 4 pounds.
That's funny. I thought he said a Hawaiian Jew. Like, what?
Well,
I
there's
never
not
heard
too
of that.
many of those.
There are too many of those.
That's why I
there's
thought
not
it was
too-
secret tea.
Yeah. So,
Yeah.
but what happened? So you drink this tea and what happened? You just crap your brains out?
Oh hell yeah! You're peeing out of your ass.
Yeah. That'll do it.
That's it right there. But on top of that, just mentally focusing. If I had to throw a little Albolene on.
What's Albolene?
Albolene is makeup remover that boxers use. If you actually Google it, it's actually says it. Professional boxers and MMA guys use it to lose weight. Women use it
Get
to
outta
remove
here.
their makeup. I use it every single day, and it only costs about $13, and I use it.
How does it
every
help
day.
you lose weight? You put
It
makeup
opens
on
up your
skin?
it opens up your pores.
Yeah. So you
And
sweat more?
and I sweat 5 times as fast. And look at my skin. I put
Dude, you look pretty.
I put lotion on this thing every day. I
You have a
have
nice
I
8-pack,
just got to put it on my face.
smooth skin. Yeah, you should.
So you throw that stuff on and you can lose 4 pounds in a day?
Yeah.
Why is that the best kept secret on the planet? Or it was?
Because boxing is so slow, you know. Nobody wants to
Nobody
give it up.
listens to you guys for that.
Nobody has like a boxing book. Like, here's this boxing secrets. Everyone's like, no, we don't
It's
tell
legal?
nobody secrets.
And it's
Yeah.
legal?
Of course it is.
Yeah.
You can buy it right at CVS.
So I can throw this stuff on my skin and drop 4 pounds and do a
Well,
workout and drop
yeah.
4 pounds by
Oh,
tomorrow?
absolutely. You'll sweat everything out easily. No problem. I'll throw a little garbage bag on you too. So.
Is that what goes on? Cover yourself in plastic as well. So see, there's a few more things than just putting the Albolene on your arm.
So a Hawaiian Jew gave you tea, and then you put that stuff on your body.
You
and
put
sweat
women's
it all
makeup
out.
on your body,
And you sweat it all out.
and you do 3 spin class workouts a day.
No, we don't do 3 spin a day. Well, like just I'll spin, and then I'll go do my speed training, and then I'll do boxing. So that's only about 45 minutes to an hour workout.
Yeah.
And each workout I can lose about 3 or 4 pounds, 4 or 5 pounds.
Stop.
But now the whole thing is being able to mentally keep it in your mind, not to think about that, because your body is just like,
I was gonna say, 'cause
what are you doing?
The Jedi mind trick is not helping you lose 4 pounds in a
Yeah,
day.
no.
It
So
doesn't
you gotta
sound
be
healthy.
Strong.
It
You
doesn't
gotta be
sound healthy,
mentally
though, yeah.
strong.
All right, we're gonna hang out with Cletus for a little while and find out some more.
He brought his championship belt, which, by the way, is teal.
Yeah, no.
That's the
Why isn't it black?
WBC belt. That's the top
That's
belt
the
for the
one.
top one
Yeah. Are you
organization.
gonna try not to headbutt anybody this time? or what?
Absolutely not. I'm gonna hit them with my head. Hit them
2
with my
fights
elbow.
ago, I went to that thing. I saw it, and I was like, I don't understand why they stopped that fight. I didn't see it, man. I sat there, and then I showed it. They showed it on the replay 15 times. I'm like, okay, you can show it again. I'm still not going to see it.
That's
I
his
actually
head
think
hit
you got-
mine.
That's what I thought.
That's right. There we go.
See, I'm on,
Cletus, the Hebrew Hammer, Selden,
I'm on your squad.
in the
There
studio
we go.
with us. It's 8:14. Let's get to 10. By 3 WBAB, Long Island's #1 rock station. Roger and JP 825. Cletus, the Hebrew Hammer, Selden, in the
Hey.
studio with us. We'll talk with him more next.
Last time we spoke to you, the first time we had you in the studio, it was like the day before a fight, and then you were going to fight and then get laid and then go to the booty barn.
That was your
I'm
goal in
assuming
life.
you got laid after the fight. Did you go to the barn?
Absolutely went to the barn.
Was it the best day of your life?
It was amazing.
Told you.
It was such a good time. You had to go back the next week.
Did you go back?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And the only thing was I brought my family with me, and they came for the second time too. But they were like, "Oh, we'll just hang out."
You can't just hang out at the barn.
They had the worst time of their entire
Right.
life.
You're either all in or you're not all in.
And I was spoiled
And
the first time.
something tells me after 20 minutes of you being there, your shirt's off, you're bouncing up and down like a nut.
Yeah, I'm the only one there with I had a denim vest with no shirt on. Not even a lot of denim in there.
So you're that guy.
Yeah, and we were spoiled the first time because we walked in. They gave us 100 beers right off bat. And I wouldn't have to wait on line. So I was like,
Right.
I will never ever wait on that line.
No way. We'll get more with Cletus in a minute. That's the cool part. Who'd you deal with? Mickey and Tony over there?
I dealt with
Great
the.
guys.
I brought the regulars. I was just with the regular guys,
There you
and
go.
these guys were just like, up, come right in. I was like,
More
yeah.
with
Right.
Cletus next.
You could say you're white trash here.
Oh, that's right. I love it. Feel at home.
You feeling home now? Good.
Feeling home.
102.3 WBAB, Roger and JP. Cletus, the Hebrew Hammer Selden, is hanging with us. Currently undefeated. Light welterweight, is that correct?
Yeah, that's great.
Got it right?
Pretty good.
Who are you fighting?
Good, got it.
Rene Ganoy is 36-12, and he has 32 knockouts out of 36. So that's pretty impressive.
That's not bad.
Most
Yeah.
impressive fighter so far, would you say?
Absolutely.
As far as the stats and the guy and the whole package.
Yeah, this guy had over
Toughest fight.
almost 50 fights. I think he has a few draws in there too.
More impressive than that is why did your brother dress up as a Thundercat to go to the Bordy Barn?
That is because he's from Shirley.
You guys didn't know Cletus is a Shirley boy.
Yeah, so he thought he was going to go into the Bordy Barn dressed like a Thundercat and get laid?
Absolutely, but he never gets laid. That was the problem. He always came home. I had to go pick him up. I'm like, what is this place, the Bordy Barn or whatever?
Right,
But he would always go there, crazy, dressed up.
Mhm.
Our neighbor was actually a bouncer there, so I guess he got the little hookup sometimes. to go in.
Right.
But he was literally dressed up as a Thundercat.
I guess he likes to make himself a spectacle. That's what he does.
Isn't your brother a doctor?
Absolutely. That's he's.
I don't
the
want my
problem.
doctor dressing up like a Thundercat on the weekends.
He does pain management, so he's perfect for you.
No! No! I don't want the guy that's putting needles in my back dressed up like a Thundercat.
You gotta see when we do like the film guy will do like a little video or whatever of us.
Yeah.
And he will literally go in front of the camera and speak the entire time. He thinks it's all about him. Everything's about him.
Your brother?
Yeah. So I just let him do whatever you want. He'll ask me, "Oh, how's this outfit?" So he wears a cowboy hat. You gotta see him in the
Doesn't
in
he
the
know
fights.
you're the Hebrew Hammer? Doesn't he get it?
He comes to the fights. He wears a jersey,
Is he-
tight jeans, cowboy
Right,
hat.
I saw him. He's in the ring with you.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
saw him last time we fought. I'm like, who is this guy?
Yeah.
He goes, "How do I look?" I go, "Amazing. That is just what I would like you to wear."
So you just let him go, let him be himself.
Absolutely. If you got to do it one time, come on, do it on national television, and everybody,
That's right.
everybody knows you.
Because that fight was on. The last fight was nationally televised,
Yeah.
and the one before that
Yeah,
was nationally
it's,
televised.
ESPN
fight, right.
and MSG.
Right,
ESPN
right.
again, he loves it. I go, that's the outfit you need to wear.
Are
Absolutely.
you and obviously Cletus is fighting? Was it Friday night,
Friday night,
at the
yeah.
at the Paramount? It's like Rocket Fights 19 or whatever they're doing
Star
now.
boxing, dude. You guys are killing it.
There's a fantastic. Well, we sell out every single
But
fight.
will your brother be there in a Thundercat outfit?
Ah,
Maybe you should change it up instead of the cowboy thing.
He will never change the cowboy. These guys.
Why?
My brother is like 230 pounds. He has legs like the size of
Yeah,
a horse.
he does.
He wears size small jeans.
Yeah,
I don't even know. And then he'll
What's
walk
wrong
around
with
like he's like, whoa, like this guy got the biggest butt you'll have ever see on a man. Like black ass. That's what
Right.
I don't even know if he's gonna say it. He has a
Fine.
big black ass.
What's with you in the cowboy boots?
Oh, you like that? I
Yeah.
rock the pythons on my feet right now.
Did you rob those out of Roger's old closet?
I want those boots in a bad way. Those
you
are
really?
nice. Brand new. Those are beautiful.
They
Comfortable,
they
right,
come out
Cletus?
once in a while.
Comfortable.
All I know is anybody over 40 has a pair of pythons in their house.
Not everybody.
Or they used to.
No, I had that one.
Why, you hear from guys over 40 all the time, like,
Oh.
oh, I want your boots?
Oh no, they used to have them in the
we did.
we would have given them to you if I knew you were gonna wear them. I'm like,
So-
yeah, I'm the only guy that wears them.
So now this fight this weekend, you win. What happens?
Um,
You're 18th in the country, right?
No,
in the world.
That's in the world.
Right. My
Yeah,
bad.
get it right. Whoa, whoa. Did you see him, like,
I don't want some.
Whoa.
I don't want some Shirley
Shoulders
boy
came
getting
up.
all uppity.
Hey man, I'm a Jewish white kid from Long Island. It's boxing. I gotta get everything in as possible.
So now, if you're 18, so now you win this fight this weekend, then what?
we should be in the top 15.
And then what happens?
The top 15 makes me eligible to fight those top 15 guys and get on those big major networks.
in the lightweight,
The junior welterweight division.
in the junior welterweight division?
Yes.
That's
And you
what you're
can
looking
actually
for.
start getting
So I know
paid.
what it is.
Yeah, we can start making some money, and my style is what's going to sell everything. The way I come in and fight, I don't come in and try to score points. I'm coming in to hurt you. I get in the best shape possible, and I want to literally knock your block off and I want to show it in front of all my friends and family, and I want to put it on a show. Because if I'm bored, you're bored, and everybody knows when I come and fight, the whole place goes
That's
crazy.
True. You're not what they call a technical fighter.
I'm technical
Right?
in a tough way.
brutal way.
I'm a tough, brutal guy. I like to hit you hard, and I hit you often. And that's the way it's going to go down.
So you're just daring them to hit me back. I'm going to knock you down first.
Well, I already know I'm stronger than you, so if, no matter what, I'm going to blast you as hard as you blast me. The last guy, if you watch the
How many kids from Charlotte that went to high school with him now? Like, yeah, I know what he's talking about.
Exactly.
He beat the piss out of me outside of biology
He was,
class.
no, he didn't go to biology. This was the option 2 kid. This is the behavior problem.
Oh,
kid. I was the only white kid in the black classes.
I got
So
you.
you're harnessing your option 2. Your
Oh, yeah.
behavior
I'm
process.
free. I'm finally free, and they accept me.
More with Cletus coming up right now. It's 8:34. Let's get to Ted with the roads. Oh, you were that kid.
Option 2. I went to school to play sports.
Yeah. 102.3 WBAB, Roger and JP, 8:59. We're doing our top 10 list right now. Top 10 greatest sports nicknames of all time. And we've got Cletus, the Hebrew Hammer, Selden. Pretty damn good nickname of his own in the studio.
He's fighting Friday night at the Paramount to protect the title, yes?
Yeah, I'm going to defend it again.
WBC belt.
And we're gonna sell out. We sell out every
Yeah, I
time.
know.
We
Sure
sell this
do.
place out. It's
I
awesome.
All right, let's see if you guys can get the bounty at least before we give up the list. Hi, BAB, you got to guess at it.
I got Pistol Pete.
Yes, you do. At number 6, Pistol Pete Maravich, the
Nice.
bounty. I thought he was the toughest one on the list.
There you go, buddy. You got a pair of ringside seats. Star Boxing Rockin' Fights 19. Friday night at the Paramount featuring Long Island's own WBC International Light Welterweight Champion. That's too long.
Yeah.
It's a good name, but it's
Can
long.
you just be heavyweight and call it, make it easy?
that's
kind of.
Yeah, you two Cletuses.
That's Cletus. Hold on, you win, all right?
All right, thanks, brother.
All right, so here's the top 10 list of the sports nicknames. Number 10, the Yankees' Lou Gehrig, the Iron Horse.
Oh, right.
Okay. Number 9, the Yankees' Reggie Jackson, Mr. October.
Okay.
Right. Number 8, the Say Hey Kid, Willie Mays. Number 7, Wilt the Stilt Chamberlain, nobody got either. Number 6, Pistol Pete Maravich was the bounty. Number 5, Shoeless Joe Jackson. Number 4, the great one, Wayne Gretzky. Number 3, nobody got. OJ, the Juice Simpson. Number 2, JP, you got it. Walter, Sweetness Payton. And number 1, greatest sports nickname, Michael Air Jordan. And there you go.
Does the guy you're fighting
Yeah,
have a nickname, Cletus?
Honestly, I have
Was it
no
Renee
idea.
again,
He's
or
like,
is this-
like a Filipino tornado or something.
The what? Get on the mic.
He might be like the Filipino tornado.
I
Oh,
think
man.
you know what though? I think
He's Philippines, so
I
that's I just made it up.
But I think I saw him. Did he fight that night? You fight when they got you for headbutt.
No, he. This is his first time.
It's his first time
fighting
here. Okay.
Yeah.
Well, good luck Friday. We're rooting for you, of course.
All right.
You're gonna
We
beat
know
the
you'll
piss out of
bring
this
it.
guy.
Oh well, I'm coming to. You know.
Yeah, I know. You're
And
going.
this
You
guy
want to get top
has a lot of
15.
knockouts, so it's gonna be very interesting the first 4 rounds.
Do you ever get intimidated in the ring, or no? You don't care.
Oh no, everybody hates me, so I already know. I gotta give it right back to them
Really?
and let them
Why
show
do they
'em.
hate? Why do they
So
hate you?
likable.
Cause I switched the sport up a little bit. Because I don't really do that point system like you go punch me and then I'll punch you and you punch me and I'll punch you. You know,
just
like
go
Chris,
in-
like Chris Algieri does. He's like, I'll punch you a little bit and smack you
You
around.
punch me a little bit.
I'll punch you back and scratch you and use my jab. I'm in there. I want to punch you again, hit you. Make
As
the-
you said earlier, I'm going to blast you.
yeah, if I'm bored, you're bored. I'm trying to put some action into this fight, man. I got ADHD, baby.
You're a promoter's wet
You're
dream.
great.
Oh my God! If you can back it up, you are a promoter's wet dream.
Well, he has. He's 16-0 right now.
16-0, 18th in the world, and they rated me the strongest 140-pounder in the world.
Look at you.
Look at that.
Cletus, the Hebrew Hammer, Selden from Shirley on Long Island. Been rooting for you. Good luck.
All right, thank you, guys.
There he is. 902, Tennis Roads. Oh, man, good job.
Really good
Really
job.
good job,
Always
man.
fun.
Yep. You let your personality out, which is good.
Yeah.
Good luck, man.
I had to hold it in at the LI News. So.
Some of that you got to hold in, but you're awesome. Really good. Really good.
Thank you.